Hello viewers, this is Rajiv Bhomik and you are watching my channel Make Things Easy. This video is on mechanical ventilator. Viewers, if you see most of my videos, those are on technical ground. But this video I have made on medical ground. Actually, I have worked in a company, they used to make mechanical ventilator. So I have made this video based on that experience. So please watch this video till the end. Ventilators are also called as artificial respirator or breathing machine or life support system. Now let us understand why ventilator is needed. There are patients who cannot breathe by their own. Some patients cannot inhale sufficient oxygen. Some patients stopped breathing partially. Sometimes breaths are not going to patient's lungs. Some patients' lungs have stopped working. Sometimes oxygen circulation not happening properly. In all these situations, patient needs ventilator support and such cases can be seen in ICUs of hospitals. Ventilator forces oxygen and air mixture to enter into the patient lungs and also helps to come out carbon dioxide. Now I'll tell you the basics of ventilator. Suppose this is the ventilator and this is the AC power supply. Now backside of ventilator there are two tubes. Both are connected to hospital main line. One tube is connected for oxygen and another tube is connected for fresh air. 100% oxygen is not required by patient. So oxygen and fresh air mixing arrangement is there in the ventilator. That mixture is delivered to the patient lungs and ventilator also helps to come out carbon dioxide from patient lungs. So this is called airway. This is the lungs of the patient. This is airflow in and this is airflow out. This is called inspiratory valve and this is called expiratory valve. And this portion, this red dotted portion is called breathing circuit. So this is all about the basics of ventilator. Now I'll tell you few renowned ventilator manufacturers name worldwide. Draeger from Germany, Philips from Netherlands, Hamilton Medical from Switzerland, ResMed from United States, GE Healthcare from United States, Medtronic from Ireland, Becton Dickinson from United States, Fisher and Paykel Healthcare from New Zealand, Macquet from Germany, Smiths from United Kingdom. Now I will explain you various critical parameters which are to be set in ventilator in relation with the patient body condition. TV, that means tidal volume, the amount of air delivered by the machine to the patient for a normal breath is called tidal volume. The range is 400 to 800 ml per minute. RR, that means respiration rate. Every minute how many breath machine will give to patient is called respiration rate. The range is 10 to 15. FiO2, that means fraction of inspired oxygen. The range is 21% to 100%. Suppose FiO2 is mentioned as 50%. That means if the total gas is 100%, then oxygen is 50%. PWP, PEEP, that means positive and expiratory pressure. To keep some amount of air inside the lungs is called positive and expiratory pressure. The range is 3 to 5 cm of H2O. IE, that means inspiration expiration ratio, and the ratio is 1:2. Let us understand few more critical parameters. RV, that is residual volume. The amount of air remain inside the lungs after breathe out is called residual volume. For normal adult, this value is 1000 to 1200 ml. ERV, that is expiratory reserve volume. The maximum amount of air can be breathed out by a patient is called expiratory reserve volume. For male it is 1100 ml and for female it is 800 ml. IRV, that is inspiratory reserve volume. The maximum amount of air breathing in or inhale by a patient is called inspiratory reserve volume. The value is around 2000 to 3000 ml for normal human being. VC, that is vital capacity. The maximum amount of air a person can expel from the lungs after a maximum inhalation is called VC, that is vital capacity. A normal adult has a vital capacity between 3 to 5 liters. TLC, that is total lung capacity. The maximum volume of air the lungs can accommodate is called total lung capacity. Total lung capacity is equal to RV plus VC. RV means residual volume and VC means vital capacity. For normal human being, the value is 4 to 6 liters. MV, that is minute volume. The amount of air breathing in or out by a patient per minute is called minute volume. Minute volume is equal to TV into RR. TV means tidal volume and RR means respiration rate. Normal minute ventilation is between 5 to 8 liter per minute. Viewers, now I'll explain you various types and modes of ventilation. As I told you, there are various ventilators manufacturers. So, various types and modes are given in those ventilators. Here, I am explaining you few important ones. There are two types of ventilation: invasive ventilation and non-invasive ventilation. And there are so many modes of ventilation. So I'll explain you few important one. CMV, that is continuous mandatory ventilation. Here patient breathes with full supports of ventilator. ACV, that is assistant control ventilation. Here with patient and machines coordination patient can breathe. VCV, that is volume control ventilation. Here fixed amount of volume of air is delivered to patient lungs. PCV, that is pressure control ventilation. Here required pressure is maintained by the ventilator. CPAP, that is continuous positive airway pressure, which applies a mild air pressure on a continuous basis into the patient lungs. SIMV, that is synchronized intermediate mandatory ventilation. It is a very important and effective mode. The ventilator will deliver a set number of breaths with a set volume, but if patient start breathing himself in between, then the machine will not interrupt. So these are the various types and modes of ventilation. Viewers, here you can see the actual monitor of a ventilator. Here you can see VCV, that is volume control ventilation, PCV means pressure control ventilation, SIMV, that means synchronized intermediate mandatory ventilation. Here you can see FiO2, PEEP and various other parameters, and simultaneously here you can see graphs are also visible. So viewers, I hope you have liked this video. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and share this video, like this video, and if you want to comment something, please leave your comment in the comment section. And thank you once again for watching this video.